You are a parent and you want to keep your kids out of harm's way while they are exploring the internet. The problem is that parental control software out there requires configuring each of the devices, and that parental control devices can cause lots of compatibility issues in your network. Both come at an extra cost. This is when Safe Access comes to your rescue, helping you gain insight into your kids' online activity and protects them until they're ready. Safe Access comes with your Synology router, so there's only one product you need to set up and manage for the whole network. This can be easily done from a browser or mobile app. To get started, create a user profile to manage a kid's devices and internet activity in one place. Log into SRM, open Safe Access, click Plus in the Profile section. Click Start, choose User Profile, and click Next. Type your kid's name, upload a photo, and click Next. Select their devices, click Create, and then you're done with the profile setup. You can apply different rules to different profiles. Internet Schedule lets you control when they can access the internet, while Time Quota allows you to set daily time quotas to manage how long they spend their time online, preventing your kids from internet addiction. In addition, Web Filter blocks inappropriate websites, making sure your kids won't accidentally stumble on adult or violent content. Click Set Up under Internet Schedule, turn on Internet Schedule, and then drag and drop to limit your kids' internet access during this period. Next, go to the Time Quota tab and turn it on. Change it to 2 hours. Then, switch to the Web Filter tab and turn it on. Here you can select the pre-configured child filter or select Custom to create personalized filters, such as blocking gaming and dating websites. You can even click the Further Personalize link to decide when these filters take effect. Finally, to prevent kids from running into explicit search results online, click the Safe Search tab, turn it on, and press OK. Now, everything is all set. When your kids attempt to visit a blacklisted website, they will be denied access. However, they can submit a request asking you to unblock the site when necessary. We can't be with our kids at all times. There are times when you'll need to leave your kids home alone. But kids are kids. They may want to browse like an adult while you're away from home. No worries. DS Router will notify you of any unusual activities so that you can keep track of their browsing status and adjust rules all on your phone. When a web filter is triggered, you'll get a notification from DS Router. Open DS Router, select the user profile, and tap Blocked Sites to check what your kid was trying to access. You can also go back to the profile page to learn more about your kid's internet usage. Go to Device Usage Status, and you'll see how much time they spent on each device. Rewards are better than punishments. With DS Router, you can reward your kids by giving them extra hours as an occasional treat when they behave well. Open DS Router, go to the Safe Access tab in the hamburger menu. Tap Reward on the kid's profile, set it to 2 hours, tap OK, then your kid can enjoy internet access for the next 2 hours, free from their normal internet schedule or time quotas. We love our kids. We want them to be safe online. Safe Access gives you robust router-based parental controls at no extra cost. Go on a safe journey with them online and get a full picture of how they're exploring the world every day. To learn more about Safe Access, visit the link in the description.